Alright, so Apple's next big iPhone move just leaked. And it's kind of wild. Because if this is accurate, 2026 might be the year Apple quietly forces you to spend way more money than you planned. No flashy announcement, no warning. Just a very clear message. The normal iPhone might not be for everyone anymore. Here's what's happening. According to multiple leakers and analysts, Apple is planning a hard split in the iPhone lineup starting September 2026. And I don't mean Pro versus non-Pro like usual. I mean Pro iPhones and the brand new iPhone Fold on one side, and absolutely nothing else. The regular iPhone 18 models, those aren't expected to arrive until 2027. So if you want a new iPhone in 2026, your options could be limited to the iPhone 18 Pro, the 18 Pro Max, or Apple's first foldable iPhone, all of which sound expensive already. Now let's talk design, because this is where things get interesting. Apple is reportedly doing two very different things at once. The iPhone Fold is expected to use Touch ID and a punch-hole camera on both displays, which honestly feels like Apple being very cautious with first-gen foldables. But the iPhone 18 Pro models, those are going full sci-fi. Prototype units suggest Apple is finally hiding Face ID completely under the display. No visible sensors, no giant cutout. And yes, the dynamic island still exists, but it's basically shrinking and sliding into a much smaller cutout on the left side. From the front, it looks way cleaner than anything Apple has done before and very different from current iPhones. Then there's color. And this is one of those things Apple pretends doesn't matter until everyone picks their phone based on it. According to John Prosser, Apple is testing at least 3 new colors for the iPhone 18 Pro lineup: a deep burgundy red, a brown tone, and a new purple shade. None of these are finalized yet, but Apple usually narrows it down to one standout color, so don't be surprised if only one of these actually makes it to launch day. Under the hood is where things really step up. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are expected to be powered by Apple's first ever 2nm chipset, likely called the A20. That's a huge deal for performance and efficiency, especially for battery life. On top of that, Apple is also expected to ditch Qualcomm modems entirely and switch to its own Apple C2 modem, which has been a long time coming. There's also talk of satellite features expanding beyond emergency SOS, possibly allowing actual 5G satellite connectivity. That part isn't confirmed yet, but if it happens, it could be massive for connectivity in remote areas. And for camera fans, Apple is reportedly testing a variable aperture main camera, which would give users much more control over depth and light. Something photographers have been asking for forever, so yeah. If these leaks are even close to accurate, Apple's iPhone strategy is about to change in a big way. Fewer models, higher prices, more advanced tech, and a very clear push toward premium only. Now I'm curious, would you be okay with Apple skipping the regular iPhone for an entire year? Or is this where things start going too far? Let me know what you think, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, you already know what to do. I'll catch you in the next one.